We at the National Chamber Foundation bring together insights, experience, and talents to help the Chamber better understand emerging issues and latent issues. And this morning, we're going to examine the challenges we face with immigration and its relationship to America's competitiveness.
When we look at immigration, we have to be looking at every sector of our society and who do we want to attract here. This is not a matter of keeping people away, and our discussion today is going to be very much about who do we need to get to come here because we need them. Now, I visit with members of the Congress and people all the time about immigration, and I'm always, I hear all their problems. We're going to lose jobs if we have immigrants. I said, excuse me, if we don't keep the skilled people in this country after they are educated in our universities and our institutions, companies have a simple choice. If we can't get them here and they go somewhere else, we send the work to where they are. It's simple.
Immigration reform offers both parties a chance to champion a cause that is vitally important to American companies. It offers both parties a chance to show entrepreneurs and business leaders that they understand the needs of the American economy. And it offers both parties a chance to show the American people that when it comes to immigration reform, they are in favor of policies that will help American workers and help our country get moving again. This is a chance we can't afford to miss, and it is up to us, all of us, to convince Congress to seize that chance. We desperately need immigrants who want to come here to work, who have the skills our companies need to succeed. The American dream cannot survive if we keep telling the dreamers to go elsewhere. Today, we may have turned away the next Albert Einstein or Sergey Brin. Tomorrow, we may turn away the next Levi Strauss or Oscar de la Renta. And we certainly will be turning away many of the people who, like my ancestors and no doubt many of yours, came to this country with almost nothing except one thing, a desire to work. Your future, your children and grandchildren's future depends on us getting this done. And I cannot urge you enough to call your congressman or congresswoman, call your senator and say, we just have to have this. Enough with the posturing. There's a time for a political campaign, but there's also a time to save America.
We all acknowledge the need to reform our immigration system, to fully realize the contributions that immigrants can make to the growth and prosperity of our nation's economy. We well understand the obstacles of our current laws when we seek to attract and retain a greater share of talent in a world of ever-increasing competition from abroad. At the same time, however, let us not discount the magnet that America remains. In the shadow of the need for legislative reform of our immigration system, there is a great deal that can be done to realize the current system's full potential. By doing so, we advance America's growth and prosperity and brighten its future. With a brighter future, shadows dissipate and new horizons are defined.